model, 68-plate Volkswagen Crafter Sprinter Cr35 2.0 TDI starts runs needs turbo no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 166948. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 140 PSE U6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. The turbo is just not spinning. Simple turbo replacement bolt-on job. Engine, clutch and gearbox a brilliant absolute bargain for somebody. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, start-stop. Euro status, Ulez compliant.